In this video, we are going to show you how to use one-way chat in Messenger on dashboard. The admin or manager can activate or deactivate one-way communication for any chat from the GuardsPro backoffice dashboard. If activated, all other users at the receiving end will not be able to reply, they can only read. To use one-way chat, click on the Messenger on the main menu. Select any chat you'd want to activate one-way chat for. Now from the top right corner of the chat section, click on the three dots, select Activate One-Way Conversation, and confirm. The icon on the chat shows that one-way conversation is activated for the chat group. In the same way, you can deactivate the option. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime.